Hello, let's solve a JEE question. Here, given that a into b minus c x square plus b into c minus ax plus c into a minus b equal to 0 has equal roots where a plus c is 15 and b is 36 by 5. Then a square plus c square is. So let's start solving this question. As you can see, the given equation a into b minus c x square plus b into c minus ax plus c into a minus b equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, and you can see this the quotients in this quadratic equation, they are cyclic, right? I mean to say a into b minus c, b into c minus a, c into a minus b, they are cyclic, right? Now, and it's given that it has equal roots. That means discriminant is 0, right? Now, fine. Now, as you can see, if you try to find out the discriminant, I mean, let this is a quadratic equation. If this discriminant is 0, I mean, if it has equal roots, then this will be b square minus 4ac is 0, right? If you try to solve in this method, it will get very complicated, and I mean, it will take a lot of time to solve this question. So now let's make it try. As you can see, these quotients, the cyclic quotients, a into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b. As you can see, this will become ab minus ac plus bc minus ba plus ca minus cb, right? Plus ca minus ca plus bc minus cb plus ba minus cb, right? These are getting 0. That means the sum of quotients are getting 0 now, right? If these are getting 0 in the equation, if x equal to 1, then this will be a into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b, right? You can see the trick here, right? I mean to say that this is satisfying. That is, x equal to 1 is a root of the given quadratic equation. As discriminant is 0, that means x equal to 1 is a double root. Fine. Now we need to find a square plus c square. Fine. We need to find a square plus c square, which we can figure it as a plus c whole square minus 2ac. Fine. Now we know that for a given quadratic equation, plus c equal to 0, if it has two roots alpha plus beta, then this is minus b by a. If it is alpha beta, then this is c by a. Fine. Now for our case, it is a into b minus c x square plus b into c minus ax plus c into a minus b is 0. Now here, our case, product of roots. Here it's a double root, right? X equal to 1, then 1 into 1 will be 1. Then product of roots, which is c into a minus b by a into b minus c is 1. This implies ca minus cb equal to ab minus ac. Now 2ac equal to b into a plus c, right? Now In the given question, it's given that a plus c is 15, a plus c is 15, a plus c is 15 into the b value is 36 by 5. 36 by 5. 5 ones, 5 threes, right? This is 2ac. Then this becomes 2 ones, 2 18s. Then AC is 18 threes, 54. Fine. Now we need to find a square plus c square, right? We need to find a square plus c square, which is given by a plus c whole square minus 2ac. Now the same figure, a plus c value is 15, 15 square minus 2 into 54, which gives rise to 170. So this is the solution.